Hi everyone, it's Tiffany again with Bearable Traders. So here to give my recap for the day. I had a not so great of a morning. My schedule was thrown off, and I have a very strict schedule during the week before trading. It helps me mentally. And today I was just thrown off. I did know that going into the morning, so I lowered my risk. And BYND was setting up perfectly for a 15-minute opening range breakup, which I love. And I got in and out of it 3 times. You ever have those trades where you look back and you're like, what was I thinking? This is one for me. So, I mean, the 3rd time I got out of it and it finally went my way, I had to walk away and not trade this stock for the rest of the day because psychologically I just couldn't handle it. So I came back to my trading station in the chat room around noon, and someone mentioned NKLA was looking parabolic, which is another one of my favorite strategies, is Amon's parabolic reversal. And it as you can see, right after 12:30, the volume came in and it shot up and hit the previous day high, and then immediately right after it threw up an indecision candle on the 1 minute. So and then the level 2 started looking weak, so I went short and took profits on the way down. I added when it pulled back and showed more signs of weakness, and then took some more profit. I tried adding one more time, but I had so few shares at that moment. Like I told you, I was all day. My risks were very minimal because I just didn't feel like today was my day. So I had so few shares left, I just went ahead and got out when it started making new highs. So let's see. And there was, well, never mind. Sorry. And then Microsoft was my last trade. It made a nice double top. And the second top wasn't as high as the first. And the SPY was looking very weak at this moment as well. So as soon as all the 3 moving averages crossed, I went short and I took profits on the way down. Probably too early. The first profit that I took was probably way too early or way too soon, and I should have waited until the bottom of that 1 minute candle. But regardless, I felt good about this trade. I added on the pullback again. My goal was to add at the 100 moving average, but I did not. And because I usually really stink at ads, so I hesitated to even add. But again, like I said earlier, I was risking so little that I didn't have many shares left. So if I was going to sit here in the trade any longer, I needed to add. So anyhow, I took profits on the way down, and then I got stopped out. That's it. Those are my trades. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all had a great trading day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.